that's the sound that would be like for a starting point for the Dalek gaining its energy. At the same time, you've got the sound of the power kind of going down within the bass as well. There are in fact about 6 different sounds for all the little motors that makes it work. So there's one for the turret, there's one for its middle part moving, and then there's I think they use the same sound for the plunger and the gun, and then it moves on the ground. But then there's also a different sound which is more a hummy sound, a levitating sound. Phasey kind of buzzy sound inside that it's like its own kind of breathing, working type sound. Quite often we have the sound of the eye working as well. You got the kind of the iris kind of movements as well. When the Dalek kills people, traditionally you get that type of effect there. You get a negative type of effect. Right, first off, we can have the laser part from the Dalek, and then we can add in the shooting part of the element, which is actually a sound effect from a library, sound effects library. So you've got the 2 elements, and then we've got the killing effect, which is kind of like the negative skeleton X-ray type effect. That actually comes from the 1960s. It's an old Doctor Who sound effect. You get the 3 sound effects all kind of making together, and of course it'll be a nice big scream for when he dies as well.